What's up, your boy Wyclef? I got your ATL, of course. President Michel Martelly, he's out here. Bentley Fortune. I promise you, I was in a Gucci suit when I came out here.
You were.
Bentley Fortune is so fly, I removed the entire Gucci suit and I'm strictly wearing Bentley Fortune. Look at this, the president, no cap. The president don't just throw on belts. This is the president.
Yep.
Yeah.
I don't do belt. When I saw this one, I was like, wow. It's not just about supporting, but this is tight. It's beautiful. It's nice. And I don't know, man. The technology is nice too. You know, to remove it, you gotta, you pop it up. It's crazy, man.
Yeah, you already know. Women value ça. Dis bien si t'as la
Comme moi, pas de valise, même pas de valise.